Are you a literacy leader? Do you find yourself thinking about the ways that students might thrive in your classroom? Thinking about the ways that you can help students embrace writing? We ask those same questions. Like you, we know that creative writing can be fun, engaging, and rewarding. Like you, we see classrooms where wonderful teachers are stretched to the limit, trying to create and provide writing opportunities that are challenging and exciting for students. We're here to help. Story Factory Digital is partnering with schools right across Australia to engage students in creative writing using fun, high-quality resources and activities that drive confidence and improve literacy outcomes. Our work is grounded in robust pedagogical frameworks that have been tried and tested for the last 10 years to ensure consistency in impacts and outcomes for students of all ages, backgrounds, and abilities.
We enter your classroom via Zoom and work with you to create a fun and meaningful writing environment, working through scaffolded activities that lead to a substantial piece of writing. All the workshops have been designed by creative writing experts to build writing skills, confidence, and creativity. You'll be able to see the immediate impact that our online and interactive workshops have on your students.
You can choose from many options. Our workshops cover a broad range of topics and text types. There'll be something to suit all classrooms. They have been tested with different students and they can be adapted to suit all writing abilities. For schools that would rather explore creative writing at their own pace, we also have a range of syllabus-aligned resources that are ready to use. As in all of our workshops, we aim to include texts by Australian authors, Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander writers, and texts from a range of cultural, social, and gender perspectives.
Our programs are low cost and subsidies are available for select schools. Contact us today to talk about which program is right for your students.